journey of our young learners as they embark on the wonderful voyage of education. We are gathered here to celebrate the transition of these little ones.
इस विशेष क्षण में दीप प्रज्वलित करने के लिए आग्रह करते हैं। दीप विद्या और ज्ञान की प्रकाशमाला को प्रस्तुत करते हैं। इन दीपों के प्रकाश में हम सभी अद्वितीय संदेश को संजो के रखते हैं और अपने विद्यार्थियों के उत्तम भविष्य की प्रार्थना करते हैं।
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
अत्यंत पवित्र और शांतिप्रद पल का स्वागत करने जा रहे हैं। आइए हम सभी ध्यानपूर्वक एक प्रार्थना गीत सुनते हैं जो हम सभी को आत्मिक ऊर्जा प्रदान करेगा और प्रेरित करेगा कि हम उच्च मूल्यों के साथ आगे बढ़ें।
who have joined us in our ceremony today. We have with us Reverend Father Maria John Costa, the manager of our school. Reverend Father Roy Anthony, the principal of Bishop Conrad Senior Secondary School. Reverend Father Alok, the assistant parish priest and media director. Your presence adds immeasurable value to this gathering, and we are deeply grateful for your participation.
prayer dance, which will infuse us with spiritual energy and bind us together. Let's witness the spiritual performance.
शरीयत कामिल जाँ बहाल करती है। सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। खुदा की शरीयत कामिल जाँ बहाल करती है। सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। सिद्ध है प्रभु का वचन दिल को सुकून देता है। आज्ञा प्रभु की निर्मल नैनों की ज्योति है। आकाश मंडल ईश्वर की महिमा वर्णन करता है।
This is the day to be glad and rejoice. This is a happy day. Are you all happy? Happy? Yeah, it's a happy day. So clap. Let us be happy. So we are all constrained and very formal. It's a happy day. We are all happy because your child is going to start the formal education. Vidya Arambha, meaning the formal education, the beginning of formal education. Has it started its informal education? It has started. Right from your home, right from the mother's womb, according to the psychologists. For the past 3 years, the child has learned many things from you. How to respect, how to smile, how to speak, how to say good things about people, how to eat, how to sing, how to dance, all things they have learned from you. But this is the day they are formally inducted into the school learning to read and to write, to discipline themselves, and to learn the arts and various other skills. It is all there in them. The teachers are going to hone their skills and to make them a better person. The child is the father of the man. There is a beautiful saying that goes, the child is the father of the man. Have you heard about this saying? It is a line from the poem of William Wordsworth, who talks about the rainbow. A child is the father of the man. Can it be? When you speak, it sounds paradox. No? But then he speaks in the poem. Then when he sees a rainbow as a boy, he admires, he enjoys. As an adult, when he sees the rainbow, he all the more admires. So beautiful God has created. And when he becomes old, can't walk around, but still he enjoys the rainbow. So as we learn things right from the childhood onwards, we keep on nourishing it. If we learn good things as a child, if you learn beautiful things as you grow as a child, then you will always cherish it in your memory later on. So it depends very much upon you, the parents and the teachers in the school, combined together to form this child. So when you send a child to the school, you must not think that my job is over. My child is put in Bishop Condor School, a famous school, and he'll go through. This is only a 30%. A 30% of the holistic formation of a child. Maybe the 80% of intellectual formation is given in the school. But the holistic formation as such is only 30%. But the rest 70% depends upon you and you alone. So for that we need to do certain things. We need to create a happy environment. We need to create a happy environment. If the child is happy at home, it will automatically come to the school very happy. If the child is not happy at home, it will make all sorts of trouble for you. What we say, all nakra, it will make, isn't it? If the child is happy, okay, I am ready. On the other side, the children also will be treated happily in the school. The teachers also will take care. The child remains happy by learning, by playing, by interacting with the other students. That is why it is called LKG and UKG. LKG, it is in German word, no? Kindergarten. KG is kindergarten, meaning it is children's garden. This is a red letter day. Red letter day means the most important day for your child, and they are the chief guests of this function. Isn't it? They are the chief guests of this function, and you are all joining with them. Make this red letter day a memorable one till their end of this life. Till the end of their life, should be a memorable one. And they should always cherish the first day they came along with the parents and they started this writing process, the learning process. And they will always remain happily. Have a happy day, happy year, great day. God bless you.
Reverend respected Mr. K. Ignatius, the Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Natal, our coordinator of the preparatory section, dear parents, dear teachers and students, a very good morning to all of you. Saprem Namaskar. Are you happy? क्या आप खुश हैं? हम सभी आज खुश हैं क्योंकि आज हम लोग हमारे इस विद्यालय में विद्यारंभ के इस समारोह में भाग लेने के लिए उपस्थित हैं।
विश्व परिवर्तन होगा। परम पिता तू इतना प्यारा, अब तुझसे मिलन होगा। तुझको पाकर इन नैनों में प्रेम का मोती होगा, प्रेम का मोती। ओ परम पिता तू इतना प्यारा, अब तुझसे मिलन होगा। तुझको पाकर इन नैनों में प्रेम का मोती होगा, प्रेम का मोती होगा। परम पिता तू इतना प्यारा, अब तुझसे मिलन होगा। तुझको पाकर इन नैनों में प्रेम का मोती होगा, प्रेम का मोती होगा। गिरते गिरते मुझको संभाला, सब तेरी ही बदौलत है। प्रीत का रस ऐसा छाया, ये अनुभव रूहानी है, ये अनुभव रूहानी है। तेरे रंग में जो रंग जाए, जीवन में आनंद होगा। तुझको पाकर इन नैनों में प्रेम का मोती होगा, प्रेम